Scientists have made an astonishing discovery that could rewrite everything we thought we knew about the universe's origins. A massive black hole was found to have formed just 400 million years after the Big Bang, far earlier than anyone had imagined possible. This is not just another anomaly, it's a seismic revelation that challenges long-held theories and opens up new avenues of exploration. How did this happen? And what does it mean for our understanding of the cosmos? Join us as we uncover this cosmic mystery that could change our view of the universe forever. The existence of such a massive black hole so soon after the Big Bang is nothing short of a game changer. According to current theories, black holes of this magnitude shouldn't have formed so quickly, especially during the universe's infancy. Their early appearance suggests that we're missing something, an unknown force or mechanism driving their formation, something that defies the conventional cosmic timeline. It's almost as if, in certain parts of the early universe, the cosmic clock was set to fast forward, producing these immense structures far ahead of schedule. But what could have caused such an upheaval in the universe's timeline? The question is mind-boggling, and the implications are vast. Here's where things take a fascinating turn. While the black hole in question is still massive, it's relatively small compared to some of the colossal black holes found in the present-day universe. However, its mere existence in the early cosmos raises a crucial question: how did it grow so fast? This discovery is forcing scientists to rethink the entire model of black hole formation and growth. If this black hole isn't following the rules, what else in the early universe might be defying expectations? Thanks to the incredible capabilities of the James Webb Space Telescope, scientists now have access to an unprecedented treasure trove of data, peeling back the layers of the universe's history like a cosmic onion. The telescope's ability to observe the most distant corners of the universe with unparalleled precision is providing answers, and it's revealing some truly startling insights. Webb has already spotted galaxies teeming with stars, and evidence of galactic mergers suggests that these cosmic collisions may have been key to fueling the formation of these early black holes. It's like a cosmic party where galaxies are smashing into one another, giving birth to new wonders in the process. Now, the question arises, how exactly did these early black holes form? One theory gaining traction is that they could be direct collapse black holes, born from the collapse of massive gas clouds without the intermediary step of star formation. This would have allowed for the rapid creation of black holes in the early universe. Another possible explanation is hyper-efficient accretion, where smaller seed black holes rapidly devour surrounding matter, growing at an extraordinary pace. Either way, the discovery of these early black holes pushes the boundaries of our current astrophysical models and opens up new, uncharted territory for further investigation. And it's not just CS 1019, the black hole at the heart of the latest discovery, that's making waves. The James Webb Space Telescope has also uncovered two more rogue black holes, CS 2782 and CS 746, both formed roughly a billion years after the Big Bang. While these black holes are not as old as CS 1019, they weigh in at around 10 million solar masses each, which is still incredibly massive for their age. These black holes are part of a larger family of 11 galaxies that formed only a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. What's truly remarkable is that these galaxies, including CS 1019, are challenging long-held assumptions about how quickly galaxies and their black holes can form and evolve. This discovery is more than just a curiosity about the past, it's a revolution in how we understand the early universe. The telescope's findings are fundamentally altering our perception of how galaxies and black holes interacted in the universe's earliest epochs. These newly discovered galaxies are like snapshots frozen in time, showing us the universe in its chaotic youth. Each piece of data from these galaxies is a crucial clue in piecing together the broader narrative of cosmic evolution. What makes this discovery so profound is the rapid pace at which the universe seems to have evolved. How did the universe grow so quickly in its early years? The discovery of these black holes and their host galaxies highlights the complex interplay of physical forces on a grand scale. It's not just about black holes swallowing matter or galaxies colliding. These discoveries are giving us a deeper understanding of how gravity, radiation, and matter came together to shape the very structure of the universe. Forces like dark matter, cosmic filaments, and the flow of energy from massive black holes all played crucial roles in creating the universe as we know it. As scientists continue to explore these findings, the implications for our understanding of cosmic evolution grow even more profound. The discoveries surrounding CS1019 and its counterparts are only the beginning of what promises to be a groundbreaking journey into the universe's infancy. Each new observation brings us one step closer to answering some of the most profound questions about our cosmic origins. The James Webb Space Telescope isn't just a tool for looking at distant objects in the cosmos. It's a gateway to unlocking the deepest mysteries of the universe. With its unprecedented sensitivity and ability to peer into the distant past, the telescope is revealing the universe's secrets layer by layer. From ancient black holes to the first galaxies, we are witnessing the story of the cosmos unfold in real time. But the telescope's discoveries are about much more than just black holes and galaxies. They're offering us a glimpse into the chemical building blocks of life. For example, the telescope has detected organic molecules, precursors to life, in galaxies over 12 billion years old. These molecules are not yet life themselves, but they are the essential ingredients needed for life to emerge. These findings suggest that the universe may have been preparing the conditions for life far earlier than previously thought. If the essential ingredients for life were already present in the distant past, this increases the likelihood that life could have emerged independently in other corners of the cosmos. This discovery challenges the notion that life is an incredibly rare and slow process, instead suggesting that the universe may have been ready for life much earlier than we assumed. If life-friendly conditions could form so early in the universe's history, the possibility that life exists elsewhere in the cosmos seems much more likely. In addition to life's potential origins, the telescope's findings are raising new questions about the very nature of the early universe itself. Prior to these discoveries, cosmologists predicted that the first galaxies would be relatively small and diffuse, gradually merging over time to form larger structures. However, the telescope has revealed that large, chemically complex galaxies were forming just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang, much earlier and more efficiently than models had predicted. And black holes, often seen as destructive forces, appear to have played a surprisingly constructive role in the evolution of the universe. These powerful objects may not only have shaped their surroundings through radiation and material ejection, but could also have been key players in triggering star formation and enriching galaxies with heavier elements. Were black holes the engines driving galactic evolution, or were they simply side effects of a rapidly growing universe? As we continue to analyze the data, the James Webb Space Telescope is providing us with answers, and raising even more questions. Each new discovery opens up more mysteries about the universe's past, and the telescope's ability to gather such unprecedented detail ensures that our understanding of the cosmos will continue to evolve. In summary, these findings are more than just scientific breakthroughs, they're a reminder of how much we still have to learn about the universe. The telescope's observations are transforming our understanding of everything from the formation of the first stars and galaxies to the possibility of life elsewhere in the cosmos. As we stand on the cusp of a new era in astronomical exploration, one thing is certain: the James Webb Space Telescope is just getting started, and with it, we are poised to uncover